happy grandma today. So I'm using this canvas. It's a deep edge canvas I'm reusing, and I'm only going to put paint on the top half of it. We'll see how this goes. And I don't want a ton of it. I want it on the sides though. Might have to use my fingers. It's like icing in a cake. And the reason being, I know I'm giving it a bunch of air bubbles, aren't I? I want to try something different. I want to make something beautiful. I'm working on, I'm thinking maybe my bathroom. Just kind of painting it. So, I do want to say I'm so grateful for my family. God bless them all. I love them so much. And I got the greatest news in the world. And happy Thanksgiving. I had a blast hanging with my kids for Thanksgiving. We played games, giggled and laughed. And I got some amazing news. So, I guess I should tell you, I'm gonna be a grandma again. This will be my baby's having a baby. It'll be his first one, although they've been raising a baby for a couple of years already that they have custody of. And he's calls me grandma, and I love him to death. He's a cutie pie. And now they get to have one of their own, which is super exciting. So, now what I'm gonna do is put some colors on the bottom here. And then I'm gonna swipe through it. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna try maybe some balloon kisses. I've never done it with house paints. But who says you can't, right? I mixed these paints up the other day, and so we're gonna use them. I wasn't sure what I was gonna paint, but I decided to try this. See what happens. So let me get some sticks here. So I'm gonna speed this part up for you while I put on some colors, and then we'll swipe through it and do some balloon kisses. I'm gonna put on some music and let you watch. use a straw and blow some of the color up. Okay, I need to spin some of this paint off. Okay, and now we're going to get the straw and fix these little areas I blew out. And then we will start using a balloon and doing some balloon kisses. And I'm just using a balloon with a little bit of water in it. I use the balloon to take off some of the paint up at the top because you don't want a lot of paint there, and you can use the balloon to remove some of the paint, and then you do your kiss and put it up there, and they turn out really cute. So I'm just removing some paint right here, getting that paint off that canvas, then I'll do my balloon kiss and then go up there. And this one I believe after the camera turned off, I did another balloon kiss on top of that one there. So I'm removing some paint with the balloon, and then I'm going in with a balloon kiss. These are lots of fun to do. This one turned out so cute. Love the colors in it. Alright, let me get the camera down and bring you in for a close-up. You guys, this turned out so pretty. Oh, I can't believe I could do it with house paint. I love it. The colors are gorgeous. The little balloon kisses turned out so cute too. So cute. So cute. Alright everybody, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all of my subscribers. Happy Thanksgiving for those that are celebrating. And thanks, Tanya. You were up first. See y'all in the next one. Thanks again.